Welcome to our how-to video. This video focuses on using our Studentpad website. In order to access Studentpad, please enter the web address of www.exeterstudentpad.co.uk. Once there, you will be redirected to this homepage. Within this homepage, you can search for available accommodation. You can look at your Studentpad, which is where you can register your details for properties and where you can search through your favourite properties. It's also where you can draw a search of different accommodation areas within the city. It's another place where you can register now, which is the same as My Studentpad. And it's also where you can look through facts about Exeter. So this includes facts about the city, prices which are currently being advertised, and what kind of accommodation is available at the moment. This information is also given in a snapshot within live statistics. First, we will show you how to search for accommodation. You do this here within the drop-downs. You can choose the different options which are suitable for you. For example, the different contract type, whether you want a short-term let up to 23 weeks, a long-term let, a short or a long let so you don't mind, or alternatively if you are a PGCE student looking for lodgings within the city. You can then choose the different type of accommodation that you require, the living arrangements, whether you are looking to live with a resident landlord or a host family, these are sometimes called lodgings, or whether you are looking for a shared or a whole property. This includes looking for a room within a house, or alternatively, if you're a group, you can search for the whole property. You can also look at the different areas of Exeter which you are interested in, how many bedrooms you require, how much you wish to pay per person per week, and also when it is available from. Please note that the dates given here may vary depending on when you are viewing this video. It also may vary depending on how many properties are available. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose short or long let. I'm going to look for houses. I'm going to look for shared or whole property. I don't mind which area I'm looking for, but I would like to find properties with at least 2 bedrooms. And also I would like to find something within £100 to £125. Now this only shows that 2 properties are available. So for this, I'm going to redirect it back to any, and I'm going to put the bedrooms back to any. You will then see that the number of properties does vary. Once you're happy with the information that you've given here, click on Search Accommodation. Here, you are able to look at all of the different accommodation options available and scroll up or down to view the different adverts. Once you have seen one which may be of interest to you, you can either click on Add Hot List, which will add this to your favourites, or you can view the details. By clicking on Details, you can see a description which the landlord has entered within their advert. You can also view some of the pictures which are provided to see if it's a property which you are going to like. Do view the information which is given. It will also include some shared facilities and what is included and also who the property is suitable for, as well as any other facilities which may not have been mentioned. If you require to view it on a map, scroll to the top and click on View on Map. There you can see where the university is and where the property is. Just use your scroller in order to zoom in or out, or use the plus and minus symbol. If you wish to look at Street View, please click on the little icon of a person and drag it over to the area in order to see one of the Google Map street views of the area. Here you'll be able to see where the property is located. Once you are happy with this information, just click on the cross and you will return to the advert. If you scroll to the very bottom of the advert, you'll be able to see the landlord's contact information. You'll be able to email them directly from Studentpad, or alternatively, you can telephone them directly or copy their email address and paste it into your own email browser. I'm now going to return to the homepage. You can do this at any time by clicking on Studentpad. We're now going to look at the My Studentpad, which is where you can view some of your favourite hot listed adverts. You can also see the message board, and you can also set up some email notifications. If you haven't logged in already or registered an account, you can do this here. If you have already created an account, please enter your login information and click Login. In order to sign up, please enter the information given here and click on Sign Up. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to log in. I am now within my Studentpad. Here I can search through any favourite properties which I may have hotlisted. I can also set myself up for some property alerts. Just click on New Alert if you wish to be notified about any properties which get added to Studentpad on any day. You can choose the property size and the area. The property size does also include the number of available bedrooms. You can also enter the weekly rent from and to amounts, and also when you would like the alerts to start and when you wish for them to end. You can also change the number of days that you wish to be notified. For example, if you would like one every day, click on day 1. If you would like them every other day, click every 2 days. Or alternatively, you can have them every week. Once you're happy with this information, please click on Save. I'm now going to return to my Studentpad. Within here, you can also have a look at the message board. By clicking on the message board, you'll be redirected to a page which needs a password. If you haven't entered this information already, please download the message board password request form and email it to the accommodation office, who will be able to send you the password. If you do have the password, please enter it in here and click Submit. You are now on the Studentpad message board. Here you can search through the different topics which are available. So you can find a flatmate, look at short-term accommodation or PGCE accommodation, and you can search for student accommodation available or any people that may want student accommodation. You can also see when these message boards were last updated. For the purpose of this, I'm going to go on Find a Flatmate. Please note that the adverts here may vary depending on when you are viewing this video. For example, there's some adverts here for looking for a housemate, looking for one flatmate, perhaps you're looking for a nice ensuite bedroom for a short let. Once you've seen the advert that you would like to view, just click on it to be redirected. On this page, you can also post your own message, which will show in one of the topic areas as shown previously. If you wish to post your own message, just click on Post Your Message here in order to be redirected. If you're happy with the information, choose a suitable subject heading, like so, and also enter your message. Once you are happy with this, please click on Post. Your message is now showing on the message board. If you are happy with this and wish to return, please go back to My Studentpad. Here you are able to view your property inbox via Studentpad. This shows any correspondence that you've had with an agent or a landlord. If you wish to unsubscribe at any time from the mailing list, just click on the unsubscribe button. To log out, just click on Log Out. We are now going to view the Fact Finder. In order to do this, just scroll over on the right-hand side to Fact Finder and click on it. Here you are able to view some real-time data about properties and rooms which are available in Exeter at the moment. This includes different areas and the minimum and maximum average which you're looking at, and also how many properties are available within that area. This may be of interest to you. So just scroll through and have a little look. You can also draw a search. This will show you the areas of Exeter in which some properties are advertised. They are symbolised by the little cross. Here you can click a search area in which to look for accommodation. So for example, I'm just choosing this particular area. And once I click on Search Accommodation, I will be again able to fill in my search preferences, and then I can continue to see the adverts which are available. I'm now going to return to the main page of Studentpad. We have now reached the end of our video. Thank you for watching.